Hi, welcome back to the channel. My name is Anastasia. I'm your go-to holistic health and fitness expert. If you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, there is one thing you need to do right now. Subscribe to the channel to stay updated with every piece of content that I put a time to create and upload specifically for you to be your best and healthiest version of yourself, to follow holistic way of living, to get life disease-free for optimal health, longevity, anti-aging, and all aliveness in your body and in your system, which is absolutely possible, which is absolutely accessible for all of us because it's natural, it's realistic, and this is all beauty of holistic way of living. My name is Anastasia and I have 15 years of experience in holistic way of living. I had as a heritage from my father his own study, his own way of living for the last 35 years, how he transformed his life being 100 plus kilo and becoming 75 kilo. And it's not only about weight loss and more muscles, it's about his health, that he now at the age of 64, better looking and have more stamina of health, of exercise, of resistance in his immunity system, that his colleagues or friends which are 20, 15, 30 years younger than him. So it says a lot. I've been professional swimmer within Ukraine, I've been professional model within Ukraine, so I follow both paths of lifestyle, being absolutely bulimia addicted and being healthy athlete, eating more than my family all together. And I was eating so much because I need to have power to swim 12 kilometers a day to pursue my goal to become master sport of Ukraine, to become a golden fish of Ukraine. This was such a desired label at those time, and I have my own ups and downs in a health due to these lifestyles and especially mixology of both of them at the same time. I have also practiced yoga, study yoga, Pilates and meditation in India. I study Ayurveda, knowledge of holistic way of living and how to mix ingredients, spices and food ingredients in the season, in the weather, in your geolocation for optimal health. This is all what I translate in this channel for you with these videos to get knowledge, to get habits, to get improvements, moderation and view of starting looking at your life also through the way of holistic way of living. Why not? It's absolutely free. You do not need to go to the hospital to get prescription, to get an expensive medication. Holistic way of living, it's absolutely affordable. I mean, knowledge to get, it takes some time, which is the most expensive asset. It takes some finances also to travel, to learn, to try to find what is really working and what is working for you, because each of us are unique. And of course, it saves you a lot in the future on your medical insurance, on your health, on your supplements, on the medication, on a doctor visits, on life at the general, because you live longer and you save because you do not need to pay every year for some medical expenses. If you struggle at any of the point about diseases, about risk of getting disease because of your family members' history, or because you have a demanding schedule when you suffer with nutrition, workout and overall lifestyle optimization, feel free to reach out to me. I have all links down below: Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn and email. You can reach out to me. I search and I check by myself and reply by myself to each one of you who send me a message or email. You have an opportunity to inquire absolutely for free consultation call with me, where we will meet with you and discuss your situation and how I can help you to overcome your current situation and to become the best version of yourself. In today's video, I want to share with you the top 5 to 6 food items that are so crucial to have in your diet for every woman out there. Does not matter in which part of the world you are, but they are so crucial and they are helping you to overcome hormonal disbalance. My forever longing to bring awareness to as many women around the world that you do not need to rely on medication. You do not need to go and rely on a hormonal supplements, on a hormonal injection and supplements, because you can get it all that you need through your food, and you can complement it with the right lifestyle, with the active lifestyle, and with the boost from the habits. So please do not go for the medication, because it's addictive. It's give you side effects in your health on the long term. Even if it's reduce your hormonal syndromes, it's in a long run, it's give you side effects which are causing you diagnosis, which is causes you a shorter life. So please choose wisely. So let's go. Number one is in a food list is avocado. Avocado is extremely healthy vegetable. Even if you are vegan or you are not vegan, you need to have avocado at least on your regular basis. At least 4 times a week you need to have avocado to get this extra fats, extra rich fats from this green magic of avocado, that so rich avocado. And you will have enough of nutrients and healthy fats. Even if you eat meat, even if you eat fish, you still need to have avocado to help you with having enough of fats. While we struggle a lot with the disbalance of our hormones, of our testosterone, of our endorphins, it's because we have poor diet. We do not have enough of microelements, we do not have enough of magnesium, we do not have enough of vitamins. That's why we are suffering with depression, anxiety, hormonal disbalance, etc. So avocado is number one. Number two, flaxseed. So tiny, so little, but so powerful. Flaxseed you can add basically to any food items. I have also one video about flaxseed. I will put down here. Watch this as well about all benefits. But flaxseed helps you to boost your hormonal disbalance, because it's have a lot of fats, it have zinc, it have calcium, it have antioxidant powers that help you to boost your system. And flaxseed is so powerful that you can have it on an everyday intake. You can have either, I would recommend to start with a teaspoon, you can also increase to the tablespoon. You can blend it. I blend myself in a coffee blender machine, or you can have a full seeds. You can make a jelly, boil with a hot water, only hot water. You do not need any milk, any spices, any honey, nothing, just water and flaxseed. It's become like a jelly. It's benefit also your gut health, your microflora of your gut, your digestive system, and your health, your skin, your bones. Like there's so many benefits. You can blend it and put on top as a dressing into your salad. Super beneficial and so rich in omega and fatty acids that are so important. You can put in your smoothie, in your juice, in your oats, in your granola, in your fruit and vegetable salads. You can also put as a topping in your fish, or when you make a steak, especially when you blend, so it's becoming really like a powder. You can put fish into this kind of, do not use bread crackers, but use a flaxseed powder, and you can cook it with this, and it would be amazing. It would be tasteful, and it would be a bomb, you know, like a omega on steroids fish, especially if it's fatty fish, inside the flaxseed powder. It would be take you to the heaven. Then we have number 4. It's root vegetables. All that is come from the ground, from the soil. It has so much of an power for you to heal and to bring balance to your hormones. It's help you with the dealing with the syndromes, with the rushes, with the flashes of blood. Also, if you have an issue, not only if you're already in a menopause era, or if you suffer, especially nowadays, there's so many women at the age of 20, at the age of 30, they are suffering with the inconsistent menstrual cycle, or they have sufferings that they do not have menstrual cycle for a couple of months, or someone have a pause of a 1 year. This is all due to poor nutrition and to poor habits. You need to eat properly. Do not count any calories. Do not count any diet, because it does not work. It's bringing you more harm than any kind of benefits. So eat properly. Eat enough of micro elements in your day, every single day. So root vegetables help you to get enough of vitamin A, enough of vitamin K, enough of magnesium. It's help you also to boost your system with the hormones. So sweet potato is a purple, orange, any is great. Beetroot, carrot, what else we have? So everything that comes from the root, it's super, super beneficial for your hormonal imbalance. And we have the last number 5, it's all berries. Also be particular that seasonal berries, especially which are grown in your area, which is very important to eat what is accessible in your area. If you right now living in France, eat what's growing in France. If in 2 months you are living somewhere in the Middle East, it's something that's been grown in the Middle East. So if you have access to the seasonal berries, which are not an export from a US or from somewhere else far away, especially from the other side of the ocean, choose only what is in your geographical location. So if you have access to the raspberry, strawberry, blueberry, have them. Just always remember about the size, that is your plum size you need to have without anything. Just wash it and have it. It's a great source of antioxidants which are so beneficial for the hormonal disbalance. And when you have a rich diet which have whole food items, which have less and less and less, and basically get rid of a processed food, get rid of the fake food items, get rid of a garbage food items, which is sauce, which are fast cooking noodles, mashed potatoes, soups, which are pre-cooked items like a frozen pizza, frozen burger, frozen lava cake, which is like packet juices which are labeled as fresh, maybe not fresh, but have a lot of sugars that also affect your system in the long run. Get rid of the habits, bad habits such as smoking and drinking, which is also negatively affects your body, your health, and your woman health, your hormonal health, which is so important in all levels. Women health and hormonal health, it's not only sexual health, it's your reproductive system, and it's not only about if you are deciding to be pregnant or not, it's also how your menstrual cycle is working, it's how you align with your body on a menstrual cycle, it's how you give yourself rest and enough of nutrients to give yourself a power to go through this period, because when you lose blood over the menstrual cycle, you need to gain also a lot of iron from your food. But if you have very poor diet, you lose blood and you do not get any iron, any micro elements, you're getting just weaker and weaker, and then hence you can result with no menstrual cycle. Then you hence result, because you have stress and anxieties, and would result that you have very tough menstrual, menopausal symptoms, syndromes, rashes, sweating, do not able to sleep, you have low libido, etc. It's all results in such a basic of the pyramid, what you eat and how you eat. So be aware of it. Please do your shopping wise, do your grocery wise, choose the rich and real food items, choose the real food, use the real raw materials for your meals, and get your medicine, get your medication from the food. There is enough, you do not need any supplements. This is it for this video. I hope you like it, I hope you learned something new. If you share and like this, I would highly appreciate it. Let the other women know how they can boost their hormonal disbalance and prevent any kind of hormonal disbalance in the future. Let grow our community of holistic aware people who wanted to live long, healthy and alive life. I'll see you in the next video.